Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. November 26, 2022. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Myriad, noun.
बेहद, कसीर तादाद, 10,000, बेशुमार.
A countless or extremely great number of people or things. Example, myriads of insects danced around the light above my head. Synonyms, multitude, a large/great number/quantity, a lot, scores, quantities, mass. Antonyms, uncounted, unnumberable, unnumbered. 2. Overwhelm, verb.
जुज़ती डुबो देना, हावी हो जाना, छा जाना, ढांप लेना, कुचल डालना, दफन कर देना.
Bury or drown beneath a huge mass of something, especially water. Example, floodwaters overwhelmed hundreds of houses. Synonyms, swamp, submerge, engulf, bury, deluge, flood, inundate, clog, saturate. Antonyms, raise, reinvigorate, reinstate, reestablish. 3. Chaos, noun.
अबतरी, अफरातफरी, बेतरतीबी.
Complete disorder and confusion. Example, snow caused chaos in the region. Synonyms, disorder, disarray, disorganization, confusion, mayhem, bedlam, pandemonium. Antonyms, order, orderliness. 4. Prevail, verb.
बाकी रहना, कायम रहना, कायल कर लेना.
Prove more powerful or superior. Example, it is hard for logic to prevail over emotion. Synonyms, win, win out, win through, triumph, be victorious, be the victor, gain the victory, carry the day. Antonyms, be defeated, come short, fail. 5. Ostensibly, adverb.
बनावटी तौर पर बज़ाहिर दिखावे के लिए.
As appears or is stated to be true, though not necessarily so, apparently. Example, the party secretary resigned, ostensibly from ill health. Synonyms, apparently, seemingly, on the face of it, to all appearances, on the surface, to all intents and purposes. Antonyms, genuinely, really, truly. 6. Swarm, verb.
भीड़, मक्खियों का गिरोह, फौज. लोगों का एक बड़ा ग्रुप, खास तौर पर जब वो सब एक ही समत में तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हों.
Of flying insects, move in or form a swarm. Example, a plague of locusts swarmed across the countryside. Synonyms, flock, crowd, throng, stream, surge, flood, seethe, pack, crush. Antonyms, paucity, sprinkling, scantling, rarity. 7. Contiguous, adjective.
मुल्हक, अहम सरहद, करीब.
Sharing a common border, touching. Example, the Southern Ocean is contiguous with the Atlantic. Synonyms, adjacent, neighboring, adjoining, bordering, next door, abutting, joining, connecting. Antonyms, distant. 8. Hinder, verb.
रुकावट, रोड़े अटकाना, मुज़ाहमत.
Make it difficult for someone to do something or for something to happen. Example, language barriers hindered communication between scientists. Synonyms, hamper, be a hindrance to, obstruct, impede, inhibit, retard, balk, thwart, foil. Antonyms, help, facilitate. 9. Ominous, adjective.
मनहूस, बदनाम.
Giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen, threateningly inauspicious. Example, there were ominous dark clouds gathering overhead. Synonyms, threatening, menacing, baleful, forbidding, sinister, doomy, inauspicious, unpropitious. Antonyms, promising, auspicious, propitious. 10. Tremendous, adjective.
गैर मामूली, बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Very great in amount, scale, or intensity. Example, Penny put in a tremendous amount of time. Synonyms: very great, huge, enormous, immense, colossal, massive, prodigious, stupendous. Antonyms: tiny, small, slight, soft. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 11. Brazen, adjective.
डट कर सामना करना, बेबाकी से सामना करना.
Bold and without shame. Example: he went about his illegal business with a brazen assurance. Synonyms: bold, shameless, as bold as brass, brazen-faced, forward, presumptuous. Antonyms: timid, shy. 11. Haste, noun.
जल्दबाजी, जल्दी, तेजी.
Excessive speed or urgency of movement or action, hurry. Example: working with feverish haste. Synonyms: speed, hastiness, hurry, hurriedness, swiftness, rapidity, rapidness, quickness. Antonyms: slowness, delay. 12. Connive, verb.
मिली भगत, चश्म पोश करना, जाने देना.
Secretly allow something immoral, illegal, or harmful to occur. Example: I did not connive in the production of these documents. Synonyms: deliberately ignore, overlook, not take into consideration, disregard, pass over. Antonyms: condemn, punish. 13. Momentous, adjective.
अहम, यादगारी लम्हे.
Of great importance or significance, especially in having a bearing on future events. Example: a period of momentous changes in East-West relations. Synonyms: important, significant, epoch-making, historic, apocalyptic, headline, fateful, portentous. Antonyms: unimportant, trivial, insignificant. 14. Callous, adjective.
सख्त, संदिल.
Showing or having an insensitive and cruel disregard for others. Example: his callous comments about the murder made me shiver. Synonyms: heartless, unfeeling, uncaring, cold, cold-hearted, hard as nails, hard-hearted. Antonyms: kind, compassionate. 15. Meager, adjective.
कलील, मामूली, लागर.
Of something provided or available, lacking in quantity or quality. Example: they were forced to supplement their meager earnings. Synonyms: inadequate, scanty, scant, paltry, limited, restricted, modest, insufficient, sparse. Antonyms: abundant. 16. Concede, verb.
कबूल करना, तस्लीम करना, एतराफ करना.
Admit or agree that something is true after first denying or resisting it. Example: I had to concede that I'd overreacted. Synonyms: admit, acknowledge, accept, allow, grant, recognize, own, confess. Antonyms: deny. 17. Unequivocally.
मुश्तबा, वाज़े न होना, गैर वाज़े तौर पर.
Not subject to misinterpretation or more than one interpretation. Synonyms: apparent, clear-cut, luminous. Antonyms: incomprehensible, unfathomable. 18. Prevalence, noun.
फैलाव, तरवीज.
The fact or condition of being prevalent, commonness. Example: the prevalence of obesity in adults. Synonyms: commonness, currency, widespread presence, generality, pervasiveness, universality, extensiveness. Antonyms: disuse, desuetude, obsoleteness. 19. Culpable, adjective.
काबिल मुआखजा, सजा का मस्तजब, काबिल गिरफ्त.
Deserving blame. Example: mercy killings are less culpable than ordinary murders. Synonyms: to blame, guilty, at fault, in the wrong, blameworthy, blamable, censurable, reproachable. Antonyms: blameless, innocent. 20. Coercion, noun.
दबा, जोर.
The practice of persuading someone to do something by using force or threats. Example: our problem cannot be solved by any form of coercion but only by agreement. Synonyms: force, compulsion, constraint, duress, oppression, enforcement, harassment. Antonyms: persuasion. 21 vibrant, adjective.
मुतहर्रिक, तेजी से लरजने वाला. एक जिंदगी और तवानाई से भरपूर. 2 रंगों का, बहुत रोशन और मजबूत. 3 बुलंद और ताकतवर.
Full of energy and life. Example: a vibrant cosmopolitan city. Synonyms: spirited, lively, full of life, full of spirit, high-spirited, energetic, sprightly, vigorous, vital. Antonyms: spiritless, listless, dull. 22 wretched, adjective.
खस्ता हाल, बेकार, नाकिस, बदबख्त.
Of a person in a very unhappy or unfortunate state. Example: I felt so wretched because I thought I might never see you again. Synonyms: miserable, unhappy, sad, broken-hearted, heartbroken, grief-stricken, grieving. Antonyms: cheerful, fortunate. 23 divergence, noun.
غير اتفاق, تضاد, اختلاف.
The process or state of diverging. Example: the divergence between primates and other groups. Synonyms: separation, dividing, parting, forking, branching, fork, division, bifurcation. Antonyms: similarity. 24 obsolete, adjective.
मतरूक, गैर मुरवज, जो इस्तेमाल में ना हो.
No longer produced or used, out of date. Example: the disposal of old and obsolete machinery. Synonyms: out of date, outdated, outmoded, old-fashioned, no longer in use, disused, fallen into disuse. Antonyms: contemporary, current, modern, up-to-date. 25 bleak, adjective.
तारीख, रूखा, मायूस कुन बेलुत्फ बेरन. वीरान नुक्ता सानिसान.
Of an area of land, lacking vegetation and exposed to the elements. Example: a bleak and barren moor. Synonyms: bare, exposed, desolate, stark, arid, desert, denuded, lunar, open, empty. Antonyms: lush, verdant. 26 pertinent, adjective.
एन मुताबिक, ठीक.
Relevant or applicable to a particular matter, apposite. Example: she asked me a lot of very pertinent questions. Synonyms: relevant, to the point, apposite, appropriate, suitable, fitting, fit, apt. Antonyms: irrelevant, inappropriate. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.